Welcome to Brewfix. Whether you're a home coffee enthusiast, a professional barista, or an aspiring coffee technician, this channel is your ultimate resource for espresso machine maintenance, repair, and brewing mastery. Today, we're diving into a topic that most baristas guard closely: the exact temperature that transforms average espresso into a cup bursting with flavor. This isn't just about hitting the espresso button. The water temperature your machine delivers affects every chemical reaction in the coffee, from extraction to aroma. Get ready to discover why most people's espresso shots are flat or bitter, and how mastering this secret temperature can elevate every cup you brew. Temperature is the single most critical factor in espresso extraction, and yet it's often overlooked by both home enthusiasts and professionals alike. Coffee is made up of hundreds of compounds, each extracted differently depending on the water temperature. Water that's too hot over extracts, pulling bitter, astringent compounds that dominate your cup. Water that's too cool under extracts, leaving you with sour, weak, and flavorless espresso. The sweet spot that baristas keep secret is typically between 90 degrees Celsius and 96 degrees Celsius, 194 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Staying within this range allows the sugars, acids, and aromatic oils to harmonize perfectly, creating a rich, balanced, and complex flavor profile. Even minor deviations can make your shots taste completely different, which is why professional baristas treat this like a closely guarded secret. Coffee extraction is essentially a chemical reaction. Hot water dissolves soluble compounds in coffee grounds, releasing flavors into your cup. The right temperature ensures that desirable compounds, like natural sugars, fruity acids, and aromatic oils, are extracted efficiently, while undesirable bitter or burnt notes are minimized. This is why a slight fluctuation of a single degree can make the same beans taste entirely different. Professional baristas understand this intuitively and often adjust temperature based on bean origin, roast level, and grind size. By controlling temperature, they can emphasize bright, complex flavors in light roasts or pull smooth, chocolatey notes from darker roasts. Without this knowledge, even perfectly tamped and dosed shots can taste mediocre. Many home espresso machines aren't precise enough, leaving you with inconsistent flavor. Standard machines often vary by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius between shots, which can ruin the balance of your espresso. The solution is either a machine with PID temperature control or an external thermometer to verify your output. Calibrating your machine allows you to hit the professional sweet spot every time, even on a budget setup. Once you lock in the right temperature, your shots will become more predictable, and you'll start to notice subtle flavor notes that were previously hidden. Hints of fruit, chocolate, caramel, and floral undertones that make espresso feel like an entirely new experience. Even with the correct settings, your machine's temperature can fluctuate if it's not properly maintained. Scale buildup, dirty boilers, and worn thermostats can all affect heat delivery and ruin flavor. Professional baristas know that regular descaling, internal cleaning, and part replacement are just as important as adjusting the temperature itself. At Brewfix, we cover these exact processes: boiler cleaning, tube descaling, external and internal maintenance, and OEM part replacement to keep your machine running at peak performance. A well-maintained machine ensures that every shot starts at the right temperature and extracts consistently, day after day. Even when you hit the ideal temperature, extraction isn't guaranteed to be perfect if other variables aren't dialed in. Grind size, dose, tamping pressure, pre-infusion time, and even water quality influence the final cup. Temperature, however, forms the foundation upon which all other adjustments build. Think of it as the anchor. Once you stabilize the heat, dialing in the grind, and adjusting dose becomes much easier, predictable, and repeatable. Baristas rarely reveal that temperature is the ultimate lever. They focus on tamping, milk steaming, and shot timing. But mastery of temperature allows you to unlock the full flavor potential of your beans every time. Mastering the secret temperature that professional baristas never share can elevate your espresso from ordinary to extraordinary. At Brewfix, we not only help you understand these secrets, but also guide you through maintaining, repairing, and optimizing your espresso machine so it delivers perfect shots every time. For baristas, home enthusiasts, or aspiring coffee technicians, our Espresso Repair Master Checklist and video course will help you diagnose machines faster, troubleshoot flavor problems, and extract like a pro, giving you consistent, cafe-quality coffee without guesswork. Dive into the Brewfix system and transform the way you brew, maintain, and enjoy coffee, one perfect shot at a time.